what's going on, wealth builders? You know, I have a lot of different crypto exchanges that I use. I have Coinbase Pro, I have Coinbase, I have Celsius, I have BLOCKFI, and up until recently, Voyager was probably my favorite crypto exchange to use. But I can tell you right now, Crypto.com is quickly moving into the slot of my favorite crypto exchange to use. It's simple, and as I learn more about the platform, I'm able to see the different things I can do. I can stake or earn interest on my crypto. I can move my Crypto.com crypto over to my crypto DeFi wallet, which is totally separate. But in this video, I just want to go over a couple different cryptocurrencies, a couple different coins that I want to add to my portfolio. Hey, welcome to Point Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. But more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If there's something you're interested in, if you don't have a lot of money to invest, but you want to get into investing, you're in the right place. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it on your social media platforms. Also, make sure you do me a favor, check out my various links down in the description below. But more importantly, in this video, check out my link for Crypto.com. Also, make sure you check out the link down there for my Patreon group. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, before we get deep down into it, and before I actually make some purchases on Crypto.com, I want to talk about the two coins that I'm going to actually be purchasing. First and foremost, I'm going to get the CRO token, which is the native token for Crypto.com. And we're going to look at some of the past history of it, how it's been doing in the last week, the last month, the last year. And the second coin I'm going to be getting is the Binance Coin. And that is the native token for the Binance exchange, which is the largest crypto exchange in the world. And I'm going to do a separate video on the Binance Coin, ticker symbol BNB. Ticker symbol for the Crypto.com token is CRO. And what I want to do right now is I want to jump down here and let's just see what are these two coins doing? Why am I putting my money? Again, I'm invested on a budget. I don't have a lot to invest. And I want to do this purposely because I want people to see if you don't have a lot of money, it's okay. We're going to build up this portfolio. We're going to build up wealth. We don't want to be rich. Rich people go broke. We want to be wealthy because wealthy people sustain. Anyway, let me jump down in here. Let me get over to Coinbase.com. I'm going to be sharing my screen with everyone. And the first thing we're going to do, and I'm not going to do a lot with this, but I do want to see what is Crypto.com coin, ticker symbol CRO. What has it been doing recently? So today it is down 4.27%. Perfect, because we want to buy low and we want to sell high. In the last week, it's up 14.64%. In the last week, will your bank account give you 14% interest? I highly doubt it. Will it even give you 1.4% interest? I highly doubt it. In the last month, it's up 6.98%. A lot of different cryptocurrencies in the last month have been losing money, but Crypto.com, ticker symbol CRO, has actually been green. Everything I put up, and in the last year, it is up 611.11%. It's currently trading at 49 cents per coin. The second coin I want to look at is the Binance Coin. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this to make sure we're getting accurate pricing here. It is currently trading at $413.76. For the day, it's down 6.78%. Perfect. We want to buy high and sell low. In the last week, it is up 8.7%. In the last month, it's down 4.82%, which is kind of cool because I want to continue to add to my positions of the Binance Coin, which is the native token for the Binance exchange, the largest exchange in the world. And for the last year, it's up 284.14%. Man, it doesn't really get any better there. So a year from now, past performances doesn't mean anything with future projections. Before I go any further, let me say, as I purchase these tokens, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Now, one of the things I want to do, I want to go back over here to the crypto.com token. The Binance token is not going to show me this information because it is not traded on Coinbase, but I do want to see what are the people doing? What are they doing when it comes to this? 60% of the people are buying CRO or crypto.com coin. 40% of the people are selling, and they're typically holding the coin for 48 days. Now, with all that being said, what I want to do right now is jump into my crypto.com account and purchase on a budget, which typically is $100 or less with this channel. And we're going to buy ourselves a little CRO or crypto.com coin and a little BNB or the Binance coin. Can't wait to just see what we're about to get, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we are in my crypto.com account. As you can see, my current balance is $1,052.67. I'm currently down $32.55 today, which is cool with me because I'm about to make some purchases, and hopefully I'm down in the two coins, Binance and crypto.com. Hopefully I'm down in both of them. That way I can feel like I'm buying low, because whenever I decide to sell, I want to be able to sell high. Now, looking at this, I'm going to go ahead and go. I'm in my crypto wallet. I'm in my account, and I'm going to go ahead and go to crypto.com coin first. And as you can see, I have 602.55 CRO. It's not going to spell it all out, crypto.com. This is why you want to learn the symbols. A value of $298.98. Again, we are invested on a budget. This is probably one of my smaller crypto accounts. The current price is 0.4962 cents per coin. And I'm going to go ahead and make it easy. I'm going to go ahead and click buy CRO. I'm going to go to my Fiat Wallet. Fiat Wallet is another name for cash. It's basically US dollars or whatever currency you're using. One thing I don't like, and I've tried, but instead of just being able to put the dollar amount, I have to actually put how many CRO I want to get. And I already know I want to probably get about 51. I'm going to go ahead and try 50.5. And that's perfect because I'm trying to do this where I only invest about $25, and I'm going to explain that in a minute. I'm going to click buy CRO. It said 25.05. I'm going to get 50.5 CRO. I'm going to click confirm. It's looking at my passcode, looking at my Face ID. I just purchased 50.5 CRO. And if you notice, there was a little thing that kind of dropped down, and I'm going to go back and explain that in a minute. Now, the next coin I want to purchase, I'm going to go back here, is the Binance coin. Now, I'm not going to get, I wish I was getting 50 Binance coins, but I'm not going to get that many. But before I do that, I want to go back and I want to look at my account. And my Fiat wallet right here, I have $26.74. My Fiat wallet is where I'm actually gonna use to purchase the next crypto. Fiat wallet is it's just regular currencies, US dollars, Canadian dollars, depending on where you are. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and go back. Now I'm gonna go from here. And I know I want to buy Binance coin, so I'm gonna do this a little different. And I know because I kind of did a little research. And this is what's tricky. You can't just say, hey, I want to buy $10 or $25 or $50 worth of this. It's going to make you, and I'm going to have to move my camera here so it can focus back on me. And because once I drop my head and I'm looking at my phone, it's actually going to do some things. And it may not do it. So I know I want to get 0.06, actually 0.0605. And that's going to give me about $25.23 worth of Binance coin. 0.06, that's not a lot, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's telling me it's $25.25. I'm going to confirm it. It's going to do the Face ID, make sure it's me, and bam, I just purchased it. Now, what I want to go back, and I want to see if it do it. I think you can only get it one time in a day. Now, I have $1.49 left in my Fiat wallet, but I'm going to go to home, and I'm going to scroll down. And I want to show you guys something. This is an entirely different video that I plan on doing, but I'm looking at the missions right here in the center. It says missions. You can't see my finger. I wish you could, but you can't. I'm going to click the missions, and it's telling me diamonds earned I earn 5 diamonds. Anytime, y'all bear with me. I just got to get this back focused like I want it. And it's trying to focus, but I think I got my hat pulled down. Plus I got my glasses on. And it just making me dark, and I can't stand it. So, and if it don't work, we'll forget it. We'll just work through it. But if you notice, I have 10 diamonds in the vault. I'm going to do a separate video. Each time you spend $25 on crypto.com, you'll get 5 diamonds, but you can only get it once per day. And I'm going to go ahead and click store diamonds in the vault. I redeem 5 diamonds. It's telling me now I have 15 diamonds. And each time I do that, I'm going to earn. And once I get to 25 diamonds, I can redeem for a prize. And I've gotten 0.8 CRO tokens. I've got 1.3. So I've gotten 2.1 tokens just from doing this. And what I want to do right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to unshare my screen, go back to me being on the screen. Bear with me here. And what I want to do right now, and again, I apologize for and I'm going to try it one more time. And I don't know, this camera is like it's not picking me up. Do I need to do this? Do I need to just show me? There we go. And what it is, it's going to pick up on my face. So with all I'm going to have to tilt my head up like I'm in the hood or something. But there it is. I just purchased 2 different coins on crypto.com. Again, crypto.com, hopefully you saw that was easy. If not, go back, rewind the video, watch it. If you have any questions, hit me up at pointsblankfinance@gmail.com, pointsblankfinance@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. But tell me, have you thought about crypto.com? Have you thought about downloading the app, but you're not quite sure? Have you thought about getting a CRO token, or have you even heard of it or Binance? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Check out the various links down in my description, especially crypto.com. You'll get some free Bitcoin. I'll get some free Bitcoin. Also, make sure you check out my link for the Patreon group. More importantly, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And until the next time, as I always say, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more financial heat, dropping more financial knowledge. And until then, peace, baby.